Hey, how's it going? My name is Luis, and today I'm going to show you how the Next Step Center works. This is the place where you can take specific actions before you come to the University of Arizona. Let's check it out. First thing you're going to do is go to nextsteps.arizona.edu. Once you go to nextsteps.arizona.edu, you're going to log in with your NetID. Remember, if you ever have problems with your NetID, you can go to netid.arizona.edu. Once you're logged in the Next Step Center, you're going to see some tiles. You're going to see specific sections, different areas of things that you have to do. When you log in for the first time, you're only going to see the Getting Started. Simply read through the page and click around so that you can complete it. In this particular example, we see that there are 6 complete and 1 to do. Anything you see in green is marked as done. You're going to see the Welcome to the Next Step Center. That's actually the first thing you'll see. Once you click, it'll complete it. You are also going to get a question about a background check, previous college or university attended. Some of these things are very easy to complete because all you have to do is just answer them, and once you complete them, you will see the green mark. In this particular case, for the Getting Started tile, you see a 1 to do. You can see it on this blue bubble. The UA alert is the 1 thing to do. So this student is being recommended, and students are encouraged and recommended to register for this important service today. So the UA alert is basically a mechanism that you can be alerted on your phones or mobile devices about alerts on campus. If you decide to opt out, then you would be clicking here, and once you do that, then you should complete that step. That's why it's marking it as 1 to do, because it's still needed to do in this particular case. You can close that, and then you're going to see other ones. You're going to see the financial aid module. It talks about the scholarship universe. I believe the ones you click, it would mark it as done. So the scholarship universe is a place where you can apply, where you can see different scholarships and you can apply for them. So we're going to close that. There are specific ones that are very important for international students. For example, the health tile is going to show you the immunization record, and this one is marked as incomplete. That's why you see the red flag. You have to do it because it's a requirement for all University of Arizona students. And the way it works is you're going to click here, you're able to see the policy, and it takes you to a portal where you can upload your immunizations. So you're going to see here freshman orientation checklist, and something in particular for international students, you can actually go here under international, and it's the same thing. It's going to take you to the Access Patient Link portal where you can actually drop your immunizations. So it's really, really nice. The Next Step Center is really intended to guide you through the whole process. It just links you out to specific sections that are very useful and things that are required. One of the tiles that is very important is the international students tile, because it connects you with the I-20 part. This is what guides you on how to request your I-20. You can see the pre-arrival tutorials, and you can also meet global ambassadors. So there's a lot of things you can do with this particular tile. You can close out of there, and then you also have links to housing. If you're going to apply for to live on campus, then you can access the Next Step Center, and then from there connect with UA dorms and stuff like that. If you decide to live off campus, then you would click here, and then it would guide you to go to off-campus information, and you can click right there. So again, the Next Step Center is intended to guide you step by step on everything you have to do. They're all important sections, they're all important steps, and one of the important ones, of course, is also signing up for orientation. In this particular case, this student has not registered for orientation. You're going to, once you've done it, you're going to see it as marked, as done. So you would click here, and it would connect you to the section where you select your orientation. And that's it. That's an overview about the Next Step Center. If you have any questions, please let us know. Send us an email to international@email.arizona.edu. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.